The Matrix trilogy hides a truth darker than you think. Neo discovers his reality is fake, a computer simulation. He escapes to the real world, but that's just the beginning. The architect reveals the shocking truth. There have been 6 versions of the Matrix, 6 different Neos, 6 cycles of rebellion. The machines don't just allow the Matrix to fail, they need it to fail. Human choice becomes their release valve. Rebellion prevents total system collapse. But here's where it gets twisted. Neo can use his powers in the real world. How is that possible? Unless Zion itself is another simulation, another layer of control. The machines created the perfect prison, a fake reality, and a fake escape. Every revolution was planned, every hero was programmed, every sacrifice was calculated. Neo thinks he's breaking the cycle, but he's just playing his part. The trilogy doesn't end with freedom, it ends with another reset, another Neo, another lie. So the real question isn't whether Neo saved humanity, it's whether anything in the Matrix was ever real at all.